Hello guys, welcome to you in our Tech Explore channel. Today we learn how to upload your projects on GitHub. So before uploading your code on GitHub, we first need to install Git software in your computer system. So let's get started. Enter the URL Git in Google Chrome. Choose the first Git link. Click on the download for window button. There are multiple options: 32-bit Git for Windows setup and 64-bit Git for Windows setup. So according to your window operating system installed in your computer system, you can choose 32-bit Git for Windows setup or 64-bit Git for Windows setup. In my computer system, 64-bit window operating system installed, so I choose 64-bit Git. Click on it. Now it start downloading. Yeah, it's downloaded. So click on S button. Click on the next button. Continue with the next button. Click on the S button. Continue with next button. Next. Click on the next. 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 Now click on the install button for installing Git in your system. It takes few minutes, so just wait. Yeah, it's finally downloaded. So click on the finish button. Finally, Git installed in our computer system and its version 2.46.0, and here given some basic information regarding Git. So let's skip it and continue with next part. So before moving to the next, we first create a GitHub account. So enter the URL github.com in Google. There are two options: sign in and sign up. If you have already an GitHub account, so click on sign in, else click on sign up. So I click on sign up. Enter the email. Continue. Create a password. Continue with click button. Enter a username. Just copy it. Continue. Verify your account. Please solve a puzzle so we know you are a real person. So click on verify button. Use the arrow to rotate the object to face in the direction of hand, and okay. Submit. Yeah, enter the code. After entering launching code, our GitHub account has been successfully created. Now enter the username and password. Click on the sign in button. Now our GitHub account open. Click on the new button for creation of new repository. Enter the repository name. There are two ways to create your repository, public and private. If you want know any internet users can see your repository, then you can make private, else you can make public. I make private for my security. Click on the create repository button. Here GitHub already provided some command line for uploading your projects by using command prompt. Now I open the folder where is my projects. Click on the test repository folder. Enter the text cmd in project directory. Click. Here our command prompt is open. Now check the git version. Enter the command git -version. Enter. Our git installed and its version 2.46.20. Now enter the command git init. It basically used for initialization of empty git repository in our folder. As you see that here already created .git empty repository. Now enter that command git add use third command from your GitHub repository. Just log in. Use this command and paste in command prompt git commit -m. You can use any names, first commit or first changes, anything you can use. Enter. Now if you want to check your branch status where your repository has been created, then use the command git status. Enter. Our branch is master, and now enter the next command. Use this command line. Enter git remote add origin and repository URL. You can get this repository URL from GitHub, http github.com, user ID. Click on the authorize Git ecosystem. Repository name .git. Just copy it and you can paste it here. Now enter the use the command git push origin master. If your branch is main, then use main. If your branch is master, then you choose master instead of main. Now enter. First I have need to connect with GitHub, so sign in with your browser. Enter the user ID and password. Click on sign in button. Now our projects has been successfully uploaded onto the GitHub repository. So visit on it. Yeah, you can see web application projects which is present in my repository. Click on the web application. Here you can see controller, model, view, which is already present into the GitHub. So in this way you can push your code into the GitHub. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any query, please write in comment.